Okay, let's do this. And once again, this stuff and this stuff is still sitting here from the last time I did a video a week ago. When I did this? Here? Yeah. All right, so I think. So time to do this one. Even though I still haven't ordered, I keep forgetting the piece for that. All right, got my handy dandy stool. Okay. Oh, and I forgot something else. All right. So it's a mess in here. So let's see. I should probably just take everything out. Yeah. I'm sure that that needs cleaned out and stuff. So, I don't know if all this is gonna fit. Yeah, it's not. Okay, let's take out this that I bought hubby 2 Christmases ago. That's how much shampoo he uses. You don't have much hair. Oh, guess who's here? It has dust on it. That's how long it's been in there, but it's fine. I don't know. That's a cosmetic case, travel kit. Yeah, I don't think he needs 2, but I declutter for him and then make a pile of what I think he wants to get rid of, and then he says yay or nay, because he'll never go through it. So, is there water out there? I think that's for hubby's contacts, and this is cleaning supplies. It's really dirty under there. It hasn't been done in a while. All right, I'm gonna go get the handy vac thing, and yeah. Is that an optical illusion or is this bowed? That looks bowed. Not that it matters. There's not a drawer or anything there. It's just a false panel, so it doesn't really matter. But you know, it's press board. But I would imagine most cabinets are. I believe this is real wood. These are kitchen craft cabinets that the previous owner put in. These are wood, real wood. If you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle, and this is my everyday wife life. I'm a stay-at-home wife and an empty nester. And for the fall, I will be posting decluttering videos every Thursday and cleaning videos. Fall clean and decorate with me videos for the month of September, and then regular cleaning videos from there on. And on Saturdays I will be doing day in the life and other sorts of videos like that. I'm glad you stopped by. Okay, I just shortened the extension on the mop. I did this in another video. Actually, it goes even shorter, but I can't. It's like stuck. So this is how I'm cleaning it. Yes, that is just much easier. I put a new mop head on here, a clean one, because I did my cabinets in the kitchen. You might have already seen that video, or no, you're not. You're going to see this one first. So, no, oh, look, all right, so, no, that needs to be twisted. I don't know why this won't, but it's fine. And then I'm going to just get under here really good which one I'm mopping. I don't tend to do that underneath. I'm not bending down there to weigh down. Yeah, that's just not happening. So it's just going to. I might be able to turn this upside down, but not by holding the can. So now I can put this back in there. All right, so I put that water there. I did buy some new containers. What? This probably can go under there or in one of the other bathrooms. So I have no clue what's in there, so I'm probably gonna dump that out because I don't know. This is Honest Multi-Surface Cleaner. This is Febreze. I'm going to get rid of that. Oh, I think, yeah. And then this is just a little bit of stuff in there. Myers, it says bleach. I'm going to get rid of that. This is, I don't know that I need to keep this stuff in here because I have my cleaning stuff. And I don't know why this is there. I don't know, it looks pretty good though. I might need to keep that. And then hubby's extra, this doesn't need to go in here either. All of this doesn't need to go in here either. Ooh, gross. Look at how nasty that is. Yeah. And borax. I don't know why that's in here either. I have no idea. Alright, I think I'm going to use, I bought 2 containers, but I think I'm going to use this one. Oh, and that's nasty. Maybe not. I need to clean it first. Okay, it's soaking in my dirty tub. I should spray that down with the Dawn, wherever that is. The Dawn vinegar and water mixture. I haven't taken a bath in a while, and you know, it tends to just get dusty. All the dust falls down into the tub. Anyway, I wanted to buy a whole bunch of these because it would match, you know, one, plus it's manly, that basket. But Target didn't have, they only had one of these and one of these. And I was buying these for under the kitchen sink, which is the next one I'm going to do. So I could fit one more. Hubby is calling the cats for chow. Anyway, so, all right, I'm going to put cleaning in one, and then shampoo and conditioners and stuff in there. And there's that. And then I guess in the back, I'll find a basket to put in the back behind the water for his travel kits and stuff. He's going to have to go through them. Yeah, I don't know if I can get him to do that today. Put these in here temporarily until that one gets, the white one gets cleaned. And hubby's going to have to go through that. I'm not going through that for him. Yeah, I'm thinking I could clear up his counter here and put some of this stuff underneath. And the reason I like these smaller ones is because, I don't know, now I can separate them and I can see what I have. Before, in the big basket, they were all just jumbled up together, and I've talked about this before, I want to, when I open a cabinet, be able to see what I have at a glance, and not have to thumb through baskets to see what I have. I just want to be able to see what I have at a glance. So that's the goal. Definitely need another one of these, because this is like aloe vera gel and stuff like that, Aveeno, eczema stuff, so I want to put that in a separate thing than the shampoos and conditioners, which will fit right there. Okay, that was annoying me, so I don't know, I might go to another Target and see, because they didn't have it on, I think I said this, they didn't have these on mine either. And I want the white one for under the kitchen, because I think I can do the same thing under there. thinking way back, what I really would like is if it had been really long and gone all the way back there. Oh well, what you gonna do? And as always, I forgot to take a before picture. I know, hopefully I can get one out of the video. All right, so this is all the junk that's going or relocated. Most of it's going, so except for the borax and the baking soda. That, I'm glad to have that back because that's mine, and I was wondering where that was. I forgot it was up here on hubby's thing, so I'm going to clean this up, put this in the laundry. Why does it stick? What? Like something must have leaked or something. Okay, I cleaned this. This is just a Dollar Tree basket, which is fine, but sometimes they break. And I bought them a while ago until I figured out what it was that I wanted to do. Probably a couple years. Anyway, so if they're still good, I'll use it. I'm going to use that. So anyway, so I'm going to replace it with the purple one back here. Okay, I don't know. See, then that impedes being able to put another one of the long ones there. But it will do for now because Target has no more of those anyway. So it'll be fine. And I just need some kind of little basket. This doesn't fit to put the lotions and stuff in. Well, it'll be fine for now. Okay, all done. And there I am, looking all sweet. I did another cleaning video today, so that's why this was real quick, and I didn't do this. That will be for another day. Probably a quick video. Put one of these shelves back in there, take this out, clean it. It's already organized. Probably can take that hook thing back. I'm not sure why that's there. I don't remember. Anyway. And then clean the door really good. I sprayed the tub with some of my vinegar water, peppermint essential oils, and Dawn dish soap. And I'm just gonna let it soak. It's already looking better already. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it soak and do its thing. And I straightened up my area a little bit here, and I'm done. I am going to do the kitchen, under the kitchen sink next. Oh, or am I going to do this? One or the other. Either this or under the kitchen sink. Oh, crap. I forgot. I gotta put all this stuff away. And you can see it's already getting dark outside. And yeah, I didn't make the bed today. And we're going to Chili's tonight. We're not going to Chili's. I'm going to get Chili's takeout. And I've been saving all the stuff that I cleaned out from under the sink, just so you can see. Yeah, look at it. This is all the stuff. Well, I'll probably do something with this and this. There's only a little bit left in there. Obviously, that needs to go in the laundry. I'm just going to save this. I don't know. I need to go through some of this. But most of it is throw away. Recycle. It counts as decluttering. Don't think it doesn't. Put it in your box. If you are doing the 1 box challenge, put it in your box. It counts. If you are a fellow YouTuber, the Fall 1 Box Decluttering Challenge is an open invite. It is on September 30th. I will have more information on my community page. I hope you will join me. If you like this video, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up and watch every Thursday for a new decluttering video. If you're new to my channel, click my face right there and subscribe. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.